Sometimes we all need a little push to get things done. But how do you motivate yourself? Here are some tips and tricks to help you on your way. Tip number 1, visualize your goal. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve and imagine yourself already having achieved it. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Tip number 2, break up big tasks into smaller ones. If a task seems overwhelming, divide it into smaller, more manageable pieces. This will give you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step and keep you motivated to move forward. Tip number 3, create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration. This could be anything from quotes on your wall to music in your headphones. Tip number 4, give yourself a reward. When you complete a task, treat yourself to something you enjoy. This will not only make the work more enjoyable, but it will also help you stay motivated in the long run. Tip number 5, stay accountable. Tell someone about your goals and progress. Having a support system and feeling accountable to others will help motivate you to keep going even when things get tough. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to self-motivation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.